land that I know. And beside her and guide her from the fountains of life from above, from those mountains to the prairies, to the ocean, to the hill. God bless America, my home, sweet home. God bless America.